Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subs, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. I got my coffee. I suggest you get you something to drink too. Maybe a little something to eat. We're going to get into this haul. I went to Michael's yesterday. And I went to, which was Friday. Where's my phone? Yesterday was Friday, come on phone, February the 16th. Today is Saturday, February the 17th. So on yesterday, I went to Michael's and I want to show you what I got. They had a 30% off coupon, which I didn't even realize, off of whatever that was regular price that you were buying. So all anything you purchased that was regular price, it was 30% off of that. So I got a few of those things. Well, actually, if everything wasn't on, what I got wasn't on sale, I got 30% off. How about that? Okay, like for instance, these things right here, and I got these to go on some TNs once I get them created. And the one for this one is just about ready, which is cute. This royal blue, and this silver, but I'm gonna say hollow, but it's silver. These were 79 cents. These things right here were $2 a piece. They were in the $2 bin, but because of the 30% off coupon, I got them for what, maybe $1.40. And I got, did I get 2 packs of these? I thought I had gotten 2 packs of those. I may have. Anyway, I got these clothespins. Have mercy. These paper clips. Got these are so cute. Little donuts and ice cream, cupcake, popsicle. I got these diamond paper clips. And I do have some of these already, coffee cup paper clips. And I have 3 packs of these particular paper clips that say noted to do, done, and do this. Got 3 packs of those, which I'm going to put with some TNs once I get them ready. Let's see, any more paper clips? Yeah. I got this pack of paper clips. These were from the Valentine's collection, and I think these were half off. So I got these paper clips, cute little cup, typewriter, balloon puppy, and some fruit. Let's just move this out the way. I got these as well. These are little page markers. Super cute. I got these notepads right here. And these are seriously super duper cute. And I got these little stickers as well. Too cute. This was on clearance because some of the paper clips are missing, because they had the pink ones and then they had the like wine glass ones. But I got this to go with another project that I'm working on. So that's cute too still. I picked up this. This was in the $2 bin. And is it upside down? No. And it still was 30% off the price. Which was this. It says date night, birthday, vacation, some stars, anniversary, appointment party, special day, a little flower looking thing, holiday, night out, and game day. So I got that one. I picked up these 2 dies. One says dream and one says family. I had been looking at these forever, even the love one, which I missed out on, and I should have went on and got when I had the chance. But these were like $3. So I got those 2. The last thing I picked up was this. This is an envelope punch. Is it? Yep, envelope punch board. That's what it is. And it was actually on clearance for like $8, I think, 7 and some change. So I got that. And those are the things that I picked up at Michael's. So I went to Hobby Lobby and Tuesday morning, and I'm going to show you the smallest one, which is Tuesday morning. I'll show you those first. I picked up these numbers here, and on the back, this is Dear Lizzie, on the back it says that there are 2 packs of numbers some hearts and look like some circles back there. So I picked up that, and really the only reason why I picked that up was because I wanted to put 2017 on my December daily, or my December countdown from 2017. So, but yeah, we'll work it out. And then I picked up this red line tape. I got these. Let's see, here we go. They had the 1/4 inch, so I got 5 of the 1/4 inch. Which ones? I think it's the 1/4. Yeah, these are all 1/4 inch. So I got 5 of those. And I got 1, 2, 3. And I got 3 of the 1/2 inch ones. And this is this size I was looking for the last time, and they didn't have it. They only had the 1/8 inch, I think, and they're really wide, like 2-inch one. Those were the few things I picked up at Tuesday morning. And this is the last stuff, the last grouping of things that I picked up. And to get this on out the way, yeah, this is a knife. It was $3. I was looking at it like, why is there a knife at Hobby Lobby? But I'm sure, yeah, cooking or something, I'm sure. But it was on clearance for $3, and I picked it up. And I picked up all the rest of this stuff right here. Oh, just gonna put it right here in the way. Okay, and the majority of this stuff was on clearance. Now I got this paper here. Is this the rose gold? Okay, this says solid matte rose gold. Now what am I gonna do with it? I don't know. I've never even purchased this paper before. I don't know what it feels like or anything. So once I open it up and feel it, I can probably come up with something. But if you guys know of anything, let me know. I picked up 2 of these, one to give away at some point in time. These are some stamps. Well, are they? Do they call these? It's a rotary something, but it has something to do with some stamps anyway. It's from American Crafts, and that's what's on the stamps right there. So I'm gonna leave this right here, and it says, this is days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Fantastics, Aurora Hearts, Oh Happy Life, Weekend, and Celebrate. And I thought those would be cute if you had a TN that you were using. I picked up these. I had seen these a while ago, but the coffee cup ones weren't on sale. Anyway, I had seen these a while ago, and I was going to pick them up when they were half price. I'm glad I waited. Today I got these for $1.50 each, and those the hamburgers, french fries, and the donuts and the coffee. The ones that have just the coffee cups, those were not on clearance. This wasn't on clearance. This is some elastic rope or thread. What is it? Elastic. It's a trim, but it's the elastic for stringing the TNs with. So I got that. Just one roll. I had been looking at these 2 things the last few times that I had been there, and I was contemplating getting these as well. It says Flea Market Fancy, and it's black and gold trinkets, value pack assortment, 29 cent, have mercy, 29 pieces. See, these were $1.75 each. And let me open one up right quick. I hope I won't make too much of a mess. Oh, okay. So, oh my goodness. Okay. So we got some paper clips, clothespins, some flower centers, some trim. I keep forgetting these things. Tassels. Got a couple of bows in here that I can make some paper clips out of. Some more trim. Look, ooh, that's a cute little rose gold bow. More centers. That's going to be really, really pretty. So let me get this out of the way. I've been dying to open that. As I said, let me just open it on camera. Okay. And I'll put that back in later. This wasn't on sale. This is Vintage Photo, but I had a 40% off coupon, and I got that. And I don't think you could ever have too many binder clips, so I got these in the gold from Spare Parts. What were they? Oh, 75 cents. I got these as well, and I would have never paid $3 for this. I'm sorry, just never. But I picked these two up, pack of two, and they were 75 cents. I was so happy to finally get some of these paper clips for $1. These are the this is like the bronze cupcake and the gold butterflies. I picked these up for my niece to go on her wedding album, and this one is from Heidi Swap, and this one is from Memento, and I got these two. So I think these will be real pretty because her album is silver. I just got these for me because I thought it was cute to go in my planner whenever I start using it again. I got two of these. These paper packs is called Cosmopolitan Paper Crafting Kit, and it was $2 and see if I can't get it in there without turning over my coffee. It was $2.25 for 10 12 by 12 sheets, one vellum sticker sheet, one cardstock alpha sticker sheet, one paper sticker sheet. So, and let's see, those are the papers right there, and to the side those are the sticker sheets. So I picked up two of those. I'm sorry guys, my memory card was full, so I had to get the stuff off. But these are the last two items from my haul today, and this is a stack that says "Oh Goody," and it's from We Are Memory Keepers, and it was $2.50. And this has glassine paper. Now I didn't know you needed whatever this is, perfect for making bags with the goodie bag guide. So I will either have to look for the goodie bag guide or just find a template to make bags with. But I think this is going to be cute. I think it's real cute. And this is the last thing I purchased today. This is called Meant to Be Fab, and I really did not want this stack, and not because I didn't think it was cute. I have two of the Uptown Chic stacks that are in storage right now that I cannot find, and I absolutely love that stack. And this is a nice one too, but I really wanted to do some TNs with the Uptown Chic. But I'm going to try it with this stack since this is the closest I can get to Uptown Chic. And I think that's it for today. Alright guys, I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye guys.